This video is designed to cover the cleaning and processing of the Peters Surgical Cygnet Flexible Aortic Cross Clamp. Each cross clamp is provided with a detailed processing poster with 12 essential steps. The Cygnet is designed for the surgeon to cross-clamp the aorta through a small incision with the device in a rigid position, then to be converted to a flexible clamp for additional space in the surgical field. By squeezing the handles, the ratchet will engage and the jaws will close. The Cygnet has two ratchet release mechanisms, two buttons in the front for the thumb and forefinger, and one release in the back. If the ratchet is tightly engaged, you must squeeze the handle while pulling the release down simultaneously. This can be done also by engaging the thumb and forefinger release buttons while squeezing the handle. To release the insert, you pull the tip of it in towards the other jaw and it will slide out. To remove the rigid shaft, you merely pull back on it with enough force to release it from the connection near the jaws. To reconnect it, you need to make sure that the orientation of the shaft is lined up correctly. If it is not, it will not connect securely. The three sections of the rigid shaft have a flat side, which enables each section to slide into one another. If one of the sections gets turned around, the rigid shaft won't close properly. If this happens, you will need to rotate the portion of the shaft to make sure all of the flat sides are lined up. Several steps require flushing the instrument. The flush hole is located on the top of the handle. Please note, there is a flush release hole on the underside of the handle. This is referenced several times in the IFU. To flush with the rigid shaft closed, close the shaft completely, flush the instrument while leaving the flush exit hole open. Some steps require flushing the Cygnet with the shaft slightly open. To do this, expose 1 to 2 beads by retracting the shaft slightly. Flush the instrument while covering the flush exit hole with one finger. It is important to lubricate the Cygnet with a non-silicone steam-permeable lubricant prior to sterilization. Spray the box lock, the handle, the rigid shaft, and any areas that have movable parts. Be sure to actuate the clamp to work in the lubricant. Please contact us with any questions or for service. Thank you.